These are the 5 stretches that you need in your day to feel mobilized and re-energized. I'm Yasmine Say. I'm founder and owner of Say Fitness Personal Training. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. All right, guys, this routine is only going to take you 5 minutes to do. You can slot it into your daily routine first thing in the morning or just before you go to bed at night. So let's give this a try. We're going to start with our cat-cow stretches. We're going to spend 60 seconds on each stretch so we can really feel the movement and go at a slower pace. So you're going to have the shoulders stacked over your wrists and the hips over the knees here. From here, you're going to take a nice deep breath in through the nose as you extend the spine, lifting the head, the crown of the head and the tailbone up towards the ceiling. So dropping the belly down towards the floor. As you exhale, you're going to round your spine into that angry cat shape here. Even tucking the pelvis slightly here to feel that stretch in your lower back. And again, taking a nice deep breath in through the nose. And then as you exhale, rounding the spine. Now, if you want to feel a deeper stretch into that lower back, you can sit back towards your heels as you do this as well. Just taking it nice and slow, feeling the movement, pressing the mat away from you, letting the head drop down to the floor. Just doing that a couple more times here. Deep breath in through the nose. And then as you exhale, round the spine. Let's hold the last repetition for a little bit longer. Taking a deep breath in. And then exhale, rounding, rounding, rounding. Really press the back all the way up towards the ceiling here. And then releasing. From here, we're going to do some thoracic rotations. So we're going to split this minute into 2. You're going to bring your left hand behind the head here. Press the back of the head into the hand. Inhale as you extend the elbow up towards the ceiling, rotating your chest open. And then as you exhale, bringing that elbow down towards the floor. And again, breathing in, rotate. And then exhale, bringing it down. Deep breath in and then rotating down to the floor. And what you'll see, you'll probably notice, is that one side might feel a little bit stiffer, a little bit more rigid compared to the other. I usually find this with my more dominant side. But really think about rotating that thoracic spine all the way open here. Let's do that one more time. And then switching over to the other side, opening and then down. So think about rotating from your rib cage here. Breathing in, expanding through that chest, expanding through the rib cage, opening. Especially good to do first thing in the morning, this one, but equally good to do some wind down stretches before you go to sleep at night. Last one, guys. Inhale and then exhale. We're going to move into a downward dog position. So I want you to bring your hands shoulder width apart, tuck your toes under, and then stretch the legs as you send your hips back and up towards the ceiling. Now from here, you're going to bend the knees again and then stretch through those legs. So you're going to bend the knees and then stretch through the legs. So what you should be feeling here is not only a nice stretch through the spine, but a stretch through the calves and also through your hamstrings. Think about pressing the ground away here. So predominantly through those shoulders, but using your hands as well to help you elevate those hips up and back. Let's just do this another 3 times. Exhale. Feel free to hold the position for a little bit longer if that feels good. And then last one. And then releasing down. Okay, coming to the next stretch here, which is going to be a dynamic side bend. You're going to bring your left leg, extending it along the mat here. You're on your right knee. And then as you take a nice deep breath in, you're lifting up and out of your hip as you come into that bend. Deep breath in, and then exhale as you reach. Now I'm using my left hand here to guide myself down my leg and reach the fingers towards the wall opposite. Inhale and then exhale, reaching long. So I should feel that stretch all along the lateral line of the body. Got 3 more here and then we'll switch sides. Last 2. And then last 1. Excellent work. Okay, let's go over to the other side. So finding that stretch, deep breath in, lift, 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 reach, and then over. And you might actually feel this stretch as well on the inner thigh muscles, your adductors. Deep breath in and then over. And try and limit any rotation here. We're just focused on stretching the side body. We've got 2 more. And then last 1. Okay, our final stretch. Coming down into a 90-90 position. So 90 and 90. So from here, what I want to do is rotate my torso so that my belly button is facing down towards my knee. Once I've found that position, I'm going to take a nice deep breath in, think about elevating the spine, lengthening, and then as I exhale, I slowly fold forward. Deep breath in and exhale. Now, again, everyone's flexibility, mobility is going to be different here. So I just want you to fold forward to where you can and where you feel it, okay? Don't force the stretch. Just find a stretch where you're feeling at ease with it, but it's not causing any pain, okay? Always back off if you start to feel any pain whatsoever. And let's do 1 more inhale and then exhale. And then switching over to the other side, so bringing the other leg forward, rotating my torso so my belly button is facing that knee, and then exhale over. Deep breath in and then exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. And again, you might feel slightly more tightness on this side of the hip. We've got 2 more here. And last 1. And there you are. Just 5 minutes to feel mobilized and re-energized. I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.